We are in the Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. If you guys have watched The Princess Bride, here's a little fun fact. This is where the Cliffs of Insanity scene in The Princess Bride were filmed. Right here. Dang it, I thought it was paradise. Won't help because I can't get
Jane, come on, back over. Jane, come on. Jane, come on. Now sit in there and say, Rose, would you back up a little bit? Rose, come on, back up a bit. That's it, good up. Now, the dogs know that they have to be trained to the voice before they're trained to the whistle. they got to sit down, walk up, go left and go right. And they should only move now when their name is called. When you want your dog to go to the right, you just shout its name and away to me. When it's left, it's come by. So we'll begin with Sally, then we'll pick her up to the right. Come on, Sally, away to me, good girl, away. There's a good eggie. Away, Sally, good dog, away. Jill, sit down there, Jill. That'll do you, Sally, you stay there now, good girl. When you're training a young dog like Sally, folks, you should always keep telling her she's a good dog. And someday she just might believe it. So we'll take Rose to the left now. So Rose, come by. Rose, come by. Come by, Rose, come by. Come by, leave the sheep alone. Come by. Rose, come by. Sit down there and say Rose, good girl. Now, Jill, I should say, Jill, away to me. Jill, away to me. Jill, away to me. That'll do, Jill. Away. Now, sit there. Sally, come by. Sally, come by. Come by, Sally, come by. Sally, come by.
Is that a wolf or a dog?
That'll do, Sally. Sit there. Len, away. Come on, Len, away. Len, away. Away, Len. Len, away. Away to me. Len, away, Elvis. Len, away. Len, away to me. Away. Len, away. Away. Stand there now. Stand there. Rose, come on. Rose, away to me. Now, Len, come by. Len, come by. Len, turn around. Len, turn around. Len, turn again. That'll do it. That'll do it.
We're in Ireland. Still. And guess what I got? I got a Kinder Egg. Do it, guys. This is Blarney Castle in Stony Island.
It's, there's supposed to be a famous rock here that has been kissed by many people in the past. The people who kissed it have went on to have very successful lives and to be very famous.
It's so cute.
Ruby, lay down, Ruby. There you go.
All right.
Grace,
Grace?
Will, you gonna go?
No, I don't know what Grace is.
Okay.
Grace?
Grace,
I have an idea. I have an idea.
real quick, please. Don't get away the camera. Awesome.
Nice job.
All right.
You want to do it?
Thank you.
Like a lot. Yeah. It looks like a
Go, Grace.
Nice.
nice job. Because I know my lips gonna be in tips. What? I have this a wonderful rock. Wow, I just kissed a rock. We just kissed the baloney stone. The baloney stone? She said baloney stone. We just kissed